Okay, so this is the engine I'm looking at Princess Auto. We'll see if I can get it. And it honestly looks pretty nice, got everything we need. It's a 200cc. And this is the frame. It's a pretty big frame. I was looking at a smaller one, but then my dad accidentally mistaked for this big one. So this is what we're doing the whole entire series on. Okay, we struggled to get this huge mini bike frame box out of the car. And holy, this thing is heavy for the tiny size it is. And now we're gonna struggle some more. This thing's pretty big, way bigger than my pocket bike. We got some problems with it. First of all, we don't have an engine. Second, the front fender won't go on. If we were driving through mud or anything, it just won't go on. It's really annoying. This came broken because it probably got slammed in there. I don't know. Everything else came along fine. We just had to do some of our own mods for the drum brake, but yeah, it's coming along pretty good. Soon we're gonna slap on an engine and then it'll be good. The next day, and we got something new. We got a Champion 196cc snowblower engine, and we are going to put it on this. And we got some oil that we gotta slap in the engine. And yeah, it should be good to ride. Let's do it. Okay, so we got everything together. I did this off camera. I mounted the kill switch going through here. I had to wire it up, so now this switch does nothing at all. But mounted everything. I took off the little thing on here for the throttle. The throttle's very stiff to move. This engine's got tons of power. This is insane. Like, the engine's crazy. Since it's geared down for the torque converter, it's going about half the speed now, but it's got tons of torque. Like, it really just pulls you so fast. I don't know actually how fast it's going right now, but yeah. But you still know that broke, whatever that red stuff is. Engine's awesome. It's really quiet. Drum brake, everything hooked up. So yeah, it all works nice now. Yeah, not the best job, but you know, for all my toys, this is probably the best one. So now we got mini bike, go-kart, lawnmower, snowblower, Power Wheels, and my pocket bike at the cottage. honestly, this is probably going to go up to the cottage because we have no use for this thing here, and it's probably just going to be more fun at the cottage than just going up and down on the road over here. But, you know, it's still really fun to build it, and yeah, it's a great build. See you in the next video. Next video, we're going to be doing some driving. Peace out.